Okay, so today I want to show you some of the cool new features of the Scout to Hunt app. If you don't know what the Scout to Hunt app is, it's a hunting and mapping app that will help you to have more success in the field. It shows you all sorts of maps and areas. It helps you figure out new spots to go and finds shed horns, elk, all those sorts of things. You're going to be able to improve your hunting and hopefully have more success by using the app. It is completely free and I suggest that you check it out. Okay, so let's get started. One of my favorite new features of the app is the shed hunting panel. Let's say I'm in New Mexico and I find an elk horn right here in this field. I'm going to set a pin and it brings up my options. And if you look right here, there is the shed hunting, what we call the shed hunting panel. Coues deer, elk, mule deer, moose, and whitetail. So I'm going to click, I'm going to say I found an elk, okay? So I'm going to select elk. Let's say this is a right side. I'm going to select the right side. Let's say it's a 5-point. I'm going to put a 5 in there and hit return. Now it's marked me as a 5-point right side. Let's say it's a brownie. I'm going to click the brownie there. You can see it's got the options between brownie, hard white, and chalk. Another cool thing you can do with this is see where it says marker name. I can also name this bull. So let's say we called this bull Geronimo. Let's say he was just a monster 5-point. So there, I've got his name as Geronimo, marked him as a brownie, and that's all I have to do. Okay, now let's say I'm walking and I walk a little bit on over by this tree. I find his match. Okay, so I'm going to set a pin. I'm going to select the elk horn. I'm going to select the left side, put 5 in there, hit return, brownie, and then I'm going to remember to name him Geronimo. Okay, now here's the cool thing. Is I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to hit the match button. Now what that does, that allows me to connect this horn to his other horn. So I'm going to select the other horn, and you can see it brings up the option to hit match. Once you hit match, it links them together, and you can see it brings that line together. That shows you exactly where those two horns are, the connection. I like this feature a lot because it allows you to see the patterns of where those animals are moving. Maybe you'll find a couple left sides up here and you'll find a match to one of them down over here, and that'll maybe give you the idea that maybe the match to the other left side that was up here is also maybe down there if those bulls were hanging out together. Another feature that I really enjoy on this app is the south slope feature. It is also new. You pull up your menu, your layers menu, select south slope, and then you can see it brings up those blue spots. Now those blue spots, those are south facing slopes. They might be huge, they might be little, they might be big meadows, they might be little openings in timber. It's anywhere that is facing south. Now that is a big advantage because in the winter, obviously when the snow is on the ground, those south facing slopes, they open up faster, they turn green faster, and you're more likely to find animals there because they're chasing that green grass. I hope that this has been helpful to you and that you will take advantage of everything that Scout to Hunt is doing. Go ahead and check it out on the App Store or on the Google Play Store. It is available for both. Check it out today and improve your hunting.